Hey guys, it's Dennis here with Team Debrew, and today is video number 6 showing you how to make $100 with solo ads. And today's topic is email sequence and planning. So let's have a look. Hey to everyone and welcome back to our tutorials. And today's topic is email sequence and planning. So it's gonna be a shorter video. I'm gonna just share with you how you can plan your first week when you get your new subscribers, and then after that to actually automate the broadcast emails and autoresponder emails to promote more similar products and give valuable content. So let's jump to the first slide, which is this one here, where is structure in two sections. So first section where you have the blue email sequence, and then below you have the green one. So the first section is when you get a new subscriber and on day one you are giving them the lead magnet, so the free content you have created, and that could be a free ebook that we talk about in the last video. So the first actually week of emails, it is the best time to introduce yourself or your brand, so who you are and what they can expect in the future. So let's have a look. So day 1, day 2, day 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that's the first week of email sequence. So day 1 is a welcome and a delivery of your free content. So let's say a free ebook. And then you can have an additional offer link, so an affiliate link. So you want to have a soft sale always in the first week. And the last thing, you can give them an understanding what to expect in the future from your emails. So day 2, make sure they got the free content. So you can send an email to remind them about the free content. Introduce yourself, a link to your website or maybe social media channel. If you have one option, it could be to have a one-page description of your brand, and that you can create by yourself in softwares like ClickFunnels, because you have a drag and drop elements, and you can create your one-page site to explain about your brand and what kind of products you are promoting. So next one, add value article or video and call to action link to your affiliate offer. So day 3, it's about giving another valuable content. So it could be article or video or storytelling about related problem you had or they have right now, plus give them a solution and call to action to an affiliate offer. Day 4 is all about value without any affiliate links and call to actions. So give more value to your new subscribers. Day 5 is straight sale to your affiliate offer. So direct call to action link with an affiliate link. And day 6, it is an additional value article and follow up to direct call to action with the link to your affiliate offer. So in the first week of email sequence, you are promoting one main affiliate offer, combining with additional valuable contents like articles, or maybe if you want, you can create videos to pre-warn them about your brand and to start trusting you. So this is an example of the first week of email sequence. And after that, you're gonna move to section number 2, let's say, where you're gonna start to promote other similar products to your subscribers. So let's have a look to the bottom email sequence. So value selling email sequence. Second, broadcast daily emails, or you can do every 2 to 3 days. So broadcast emails are that you actually write for that particular day. So they're not on autopilot. So you actually write it today and send it that particular day. So if you don't want to do that, you can schedule everything for 30 days and create an autorespond for every single day in a week. So an example here below, it can be Monday broadcast, Tuesday autoresponder, Wednesday autoresponder, Thursday broadcast, Friday autoresponder, Saturday broadcast, and Sunday autoresponder if you want to write your emails. If not, you can set up everything on autoresponder for the first 30 days and then analyze the data and see which emails are converting and which are not. But the main goal is not to sell them products every single day. The main goal is to giving value. So a good starting point is always to give value, and then offer a product. So you can talk about one specific problem one day, the second day, and the third day you give them the solution with the specific product. And then you can remind them about that offer that you assembled one day before, and then you start again with the valuable content to help them overcome their problems. So again, 2 days of valuable content, and then on the third day you can promote an affiliate offer to help them to overcome their problems. And this is how you're gonna structure your 30-day planning of your email sequence marketing for your solo ads business. Let's have a look to the right side what you want to do. So for start, you can plan and build your 30 days email sequence. So plan your digital products that you want to promote, physical products if you want to add to additional digital product list, valuable content emails to help your subscribers, what kind of topics you want to actually talk about, and they need to be related to the digital products or physical products that you will be promoting. And the last one is actually to order, so outsource your specific email swipes for your 30-day plan. And I will share with you 3 websites where you can find freelancers that they will actually write the email swipes for you based on your specific guidelines and the products you want to promote. And the next step is going to be after 30 days, analyze the data. So you want to analyze the 30-day data and see where you need to change something, what is working. So let's have a look. So which products are converting? Which type of content emails have the biggest open rate percent? Where I'm getting the most of sales? What is my average dollar per customer for first 30 days of email marketing? So when you get this number, then you know how much you can spend in the front end to actually get a new subscriber. And then update the first 30-day plan by changing products that don't convert, emails, and further, right? So from the data you are getting. And the next is plan your next 30 days by the data you are getting from your subscribers. So like I mentioned in the last previous video, so you can actually create 2 separate email sequence for warm traffic and for hot traffic. So for subscribers that they haven't bought anything from you, and for the subscriber they already bought something in the first 30 days. So this is a good way to get the most of your subscribers. So after first 60 days, you will have your plan done. So after the 60 days, you will analyze the first 30 days and the second 30 days, and you can adjust the 60-day email sequence plan to get the best results. So at this stage, you have an average dollar per customer for first 30 days and for first 60 days. So you will know how much you're earning per customer on average for the first 30 days and for the first 60 days, which is really important. And at that stage, you will know exactly for the first 60 days, so 2 months, how much you can spend for one lead, so for new subscribers, and how much you are earning per subscriber in the first 2 months on average. And then is just to actually buy more solo ad traffic with your best solo ad vendors and keep pushing new leads through your funnel. So this is the entire structure of your solo ad business that you can create on the site to create an additional $100 per day with solo ad business. And now for the last thing of today's video, let's have a look to 3 websites where you can actually order your email swipes. So the first one is Upwork.com, the second one is Fiverr.com, and the third one is Freelancer.com. So these are free websites that you can find your freelancers that they will help you to create your email swipes for your first 30 days and then later on for the next 30 days to have the entire 60-day email sequence plan. Alright, so now on this stage you're supposed to actually understand and see the entire solo ad business structure that you can follow and create your own.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dice University. Dice University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dice University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.